after spending 2/5 of his money, Alex was left with 36 pounds. What was the original money? So just like we've been doing, we are going to identify the whole money. Since this is about money as well, the whole money to be 1, because we say a fraction is part of a whole, and a whole means 1. So after spending 2/5 of his money, that means 2/5 of this amount, Alex was left with 36 pounds. So if she spent 2/5, we'll say fraction spent. So fraction spent, don't forget there's a difference between fraction spent and the amount spent. So this is fraction spent. So fraction spent is 2/5. So if she spent 2/5 out of this 1, so if 1 here is the entire money, that means 1/1 is the same thing as 5/5, which is the same entire money. So 1 whole is the entire money, and then 5/5 represents 1. So the fraction spent is 2/5. That means the remainder, if she spent 2/5 of her money, that is 2 out of this 5. 2 out of the 5. Then the remainder will be, I hope you can be able to guess it, the remainder will be 3/5. So they now said Alex was left with 36 pounds. So the remainder, so they said he was left with 36 pounds. So amount left. So amount left is 36 pounds. Now, if amount left is 36 pounds, what is the fraction left? Fraction left is 3/5. So that means this 36 pounds is in fraction is represented by 3/5. That means 3/5 is a fraction of the total amount spent, which is 36 pounds. So we have the amount of money left, and then we have the fraction of money left. So then we can be able to now find what was the original amount from this. So the original amount is this 5. So we are going to say original amount is now equals to this 5. We are going to inverse this 5/3 because you're looking for original amount. And then this 5 represents the original amount. Don't forget what we did here as well. So we are going to say 5/3. I'm inverting this quantity. So we are using these 2 that we have to get what we don't have. So 5/3 times the amount left. So the fraction of money left inverted, then times the quantity of money left. So 5/3 times 36 pounds over 1. So now let's look for what can divide in the common factor. 3 goes in 3, we have 1, and then 3 in 36. Could take it 1 by 1 if you don't know how to divide mentally. So 3 in 3 gives you 1, and then 3 in 6 will give you what? 2. So that means you have 12 pounds in the right hand side of the expression. So 5 times 12, we are going to have what? 60. So the original amount is 60 pounds.